Hello all, so welcome to my channel. In this video you will learn more about Python and how to use it. Python is a dynamic interpreted language. If you're using Visual Studio Code, you should go to extensions and download Python. If you're using python.idle, you can directly start. So first I downloaded a Python file. Then I'm going to type welcome to Python and subscribe to my channel. So I will show you how. So now I have typed all the commands. So I am going to save this Python file and I am going to run it. So if you're seeing there is a run Python file button over here, and after that it will open the terminal. So you should click enter key if you're using Visual Studio. So now you see that what I have typed over here is being copied over here. See. So if you are putting whatever over in the brackets is being typed over here. So if you like this video, please like this video in YouTube and also subscribe to my channel.